to Jerry's Mobility. This is our brand new BraunAbility Toyota Sienna Hybrid, and it's equipped with an all-power XI in-floor conversion. Come with me while I show you some features. Some of the key features with the BraunAbility XI conversion: in-floor ramp is going to be the low-profile side rail. The low-profile side rail is going to allow most power and manual wheelchairs and ease of access into the vehicle. Coming into the vehicle, you're going to have a ton of headroom. And how much? 54 inches in the center of the door jamb. Once inside the vehicle, there's plenty of room to accommodate most power and manual wheelchairs, giving you 65 inches of space in between the doors with the doors closed. 57 inches from the back of the front seats to the front of the third row seat here. And what's convenient, this nice little step for all of your extra passengers inside the vehicle. And with just little movement, this step can be folded in and out for ease of access in and out of the vehicle. And don't forget, all BraunAbility product is going to come with industry-leading safety equipment to secure your wheelchair. Q-strength, fully retractable tie-downs, and a 3-point seatbelt system. For more information, contact Jerry's today.